save trees, save our earth asterisk asterisk. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They give us oxygen, reduce pollution, and help control the increasing temperature of the earth. But due to deforestation and human activities, trees are being cut down at a rapid rate. This leads to global warming, climate change, and loss of wildlife. If we want to save our earth, we must save trees. Plant more trees, protect forests, and spread awareness, because a green earth is a clean earth.